Hi, this is 4th grade Math Corner, Module 4, Lesson 2. The learning target is today I will identify different types of angles. Remember yesterday we talked about angles being the space between two lines that touch. If you watch the mathantics.com video in the geometry section on angle basics, it'll give you a lot more information. I'm just going to quickly go over the different types of angles that they will talk about. I highly suggest you watch that. There are a few different kinds of angles that you need to know for today. Today you need to know 3 types of angles. I'm going to focus on the right angle first, even though it's second on our list. The right angle is a perfect angle. It's exactly 90 degrees. I believe that you have learned about this in 3rd grade, and a right angle makes this perfect box if you complete it. That is the perfect right angle. An angle that is smaller than a right angle when the lines are less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. They often look like this. They're anything less than this perfect box. Anything that's bigger than the perfect box, any lines that touch that are larger than this perfect box, are obtuse angles. They are greater than 90 degrees, but they are less than 180 degrees. 180 degrees is this straight angle. It's when two lines connect to make a straight line, and the space between them is 180 degrees. That's called a straight angle. Another angle that you might need to know later on is a full angle. That's when lines make a complete circle because they spread all the way around and then land on each other. You will need these today when doing your problem set. You will also need a template of a piece of paper. This piece of paper is going to help you because the corner makes an exact 90-degree angle, which is that right angle. It's just right and perfect. You will need those to measure on your problem set. Your problem set looks like this. You are going to be looking at different angles and seeing what type they are. You will also be writing if they are equal to a right angle, less than a right angle, or greater than a right angle. So you could see this first one here is done for you. They have drawn a line from acute, and since an acute angle is less than a right angle, they wrote less than. You will do the same thing. Like on B, it is here, and if I make my box, it makes a perfect square or rectangle, and so I'm going to draw a right angle, and it is equal. I'm going to look at the next one, and if I make my perfect box, it doesn't. It's too big, so it is obtuse, and it is greater. Then, on acute angles, you will see if you write the box, it will not make a perfect box. It'll be too small. On the next page of your problem set, you will be given a picture, and you are going to use that right angle template, the edge of that piece of paper or the post-it note, and you are going to line it up. So remember, you're going to use the edge and line it on the lines to see if it makes a right angle. If the line comes inside of the paper and you cannot see it, it'll be acute. If the line goes on the outside of the paper, it'll be too big, and that is obtuse. So you will just trace one of the angles that you find with your right edge, and then there will be a table below. You will label your angles with letters like we talked about yesterday, and then you will write your abbreviation in the table under the type of angle it is. This is a right angle, so you will put it under right angle, angle ABC. Here's another angle that is acute, and if I wanted to, I could label it any 3 letters. Here's angle QRS. I would put it in the acute, QR, whoops, sorry. Oh, no. Go away. There we go. So it is QRS. Here's a straight angle, but that is not on your table, so you will have to find a different one. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher.